It's a beautiful evening, and of course, you would like to make a delicious dessert to share with your guests. Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have the perfect dessert for you with Pina Colada Pound Cake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Let's prepare the wet ingredients. Let's build the cake. Set your timer for 60 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. The Pina Colada cocktail is deeply tied to the island of Puerto Rico during the year 1954. Ramon Monquito Morero, a local bartender from San Juan, is said to mix the first Pina Colada cocktail. Morero's version of the Pina Colada took the whole world by storm. Let's prepare the glaze. The toothpick test was performed and it came out clean, so the cake is done. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Let's add the finishing touches to the cake. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this Pina Colada Pound Cake is really delicious. This delightful cake combines the rich, buttery texture of a traditional pound cake with the vibrant flavors of pineapple, coconut, and rum, reminiscent of a refreshing pina colada. You're gonna love it. Thanks for leaving a comment and a question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like the perfect dessert for you and your guests. Stay with us. Watch the next video.